Want to turn your Wix website visitors into paying customers or subscribers? Let's build a lead-generating landing page. First, dive into your Wix dashboard and select Add a new page. Choose a blank template to give you maximum creative control. Now, let's start with a clear, attention-grabbing headline. This is your hook. Use a bold font and ensure it directly communicates the value of your offer. Add a compelling image or video that visually reinforces your message and resonates with your target audience. The core of your landing page is the lead capture form. Wix makes this easy. Add a simple form requesting only essential information, like an email address. Crucially, your call to action button needs to be prominent with action-oriented text, such as download now or get your free guide. Follow this with concise, benefit-focused copy. Highlight what the visitor will gain by opting in, using bullet points for scannability. Don't forget mobile optimization. Switch to mobile view in the Wix editor and adjust elements to ensure your landing page looks fantastic and functions flawlessly on any device. Once you're happy with the design and content, hit publish, and your high-converting Wix landing page is live and ready to attract leads.